Headline: Today's story is the options queue. The SPY call/put premium ratio ripped to 5.6 to 1, real money overwhelmingly favored calls. SPY. Yesterday's $6.6 billion dark pool print at 659.22 set the line in the sand, and we closed above it, so I'm treating that as buy side. Today we also saw billion level blocks stacked 657 to 661, reinforcing that shelf. On the options board, calls dominated, clustered around the 662 to 663 strikes across near to mid expiries, while put premium was smaller and set a bit lower. As long as SPY holds 659 to 660, the path of least resistance is higher, lose it and we likely probe the 657s where more size sits. QQQ. Constructive tone. Dark pool flow concentrated 591 to 590 with a standout around 590.82. Options skew showed a modest call edge, not euphoric, but supportive if we stay above 590 to 591. Above there, look for continuation into the mid-590s, below, momentum cools quickly. IWM small caps printed a $1.4 billion anchor at 238.34, plus $1.1 billion at 238.57 and $890 million at 238.37, a firm base in the 238s. Options lean mildly bullish. Hold 238 to 239 and a push toward 241 to 245 is on the table. Best unusual flow, after close, names with size and useful timing windows. CRWV, $4.26M, 12.3K contracts, 16D average expiry, near term, high conviction. Hood, $2.83M, 19.8K, 21D, clean swing runway. PSLA, $1.68M, 29.1K, 35D, persistent 1-month theme. NVDA, $1.88M, 27.5K, 16D, momentum window. Open, $1.46M, 39.5K, 11D, short fuse, expect volatility. Game plan. Bias, with SPY's 5.6 call/put skew and a confirmed close above yesterday's $6.6 billion level, bulls control while we're greater than 659 to 660. Key zones, SPY 659 to 660 control, QQQ 590 to 591 pivot, IWM 238-239 base. Setups, favor call side or long ideas while those zones hold, use the unusual names for targeted swings. Most flows point 1 to 5 weeks out. If this helped, tap like. Charts with strikes, expiries, contracts, and totals are on screen now.